Following the floods in Johor, 6 5G telecommunication transmission stations in the state have been affected. Deputy Communications Minister Tiony Cheng reported that 5 of the impacted stations are located in the Johor Bahru district, while 1 is in Pontian.
Perkhidmatan untuk 5G di sana terjejas tetapi tidak mengganggu perkhidmatan 4G. Tetapi kami akan terus memantau situasi di sana dan kita harap bahawa apabila elektrisiti dikembalikan, saya percaya bahawa stesen pemancar ini juga akanlah pulang untuklah beroperasi semula.
After visiting a flood relief center at Dewan Raya, Taman Senai Utama yesterday, Teo said the Malaysian Communications and Multimedia Commission has provided free Wi-Fi at relief centers with a high number of evacuees in Sabah, Sarawak and Johor. Teo added that telecommunication companies had sent about 8 million early disaster warning SMS alerts to users from November 2024 to February 10th. She advised the public to remain vigilant and follow the warnings issued to prevent any untoward incidents.